What's up, makeup lovers? Today we are going to explore something I've been thinking about for a while. Wait for it. Yes, the Grande Lash Curler. The Grande Lash-LIFT Heated Curler. Now, I am all about some lashes, but I personally do not very much generally enjoy wearing faux lashes. So when I saw this product, and there's lots of different versions of it, but of course, this is the one I purchased, I was very intrigued because it promises an 8-hour long-lasting curl. And I just really had to see it. Some of the product promises include 94% of people found it easy to use, 100% saw an instant lash lift, and 100% saw a long-lasting curl effect. It's new technology. It has a heated protection feature. Obviously, it came in a cardboard box, and this is what it looked like on the inside. Had a lovely little insert and a plastic coffin to hold the device. The device came with a USB cord, so you just need a place to plug it in. That could be your computer, that could be your USB hub. It has a nice little protective cap, and hopefully you can see that. Now I have gone ahead and charged this up. There are two settings. Here's the button. When it blinks red, it is dead. Red is dead. I don't know if you guys can, how well you can see that, or if the lights are blowing it out. Green is the low setting, and dark green is the high setting. There is a little silicone tip. You see it looks red on camera. It turns white when it is ready to use. So the product consists of the temperature sensor, which is this little red dot on the end. This area is the comb, and in between the cone fibers is the heated wire. Of course, we have the indicator light and switch. This is the main body, the protective cap, and the bottom cover. You can see where it would plug in. Now, one of the things that attracted me to this particular product was the fact that you couldn't burn yourself on it, and that was cool. Now, it comes fully charged for 2 hours of use. When the indicator light starts to flash low, you've got to charge it. The indicator light remains red while it's charging, and the light will turn green when it has charged, which takes approximately 2 hours via the USB cable. And it will last approximately 2 hours before charging is needed. You can see that the tip has turned white. Quick steps to lifted lashes. Step 1. Press and hold the oval button on the front of the device for 2 seconds to power it on. Wait 30 seconds for the curler to heat up. The curler is ready to use when the red silicone sensor at the upper tip of the device turns white. Step 2. Choose either the low or high temperature setting. When the oval button on the front of the device is yellow, it is indicating the low temperature setting. To switch to the high temperature setting, simply press the oval button one more time. The high temperature setting is indicated by a green light. I felt like it wasn't really yellow. I felt like it was light green or chartreuse. It says rest the curler near the lash base and slowly pull upwards along the lashes for a beautiful upswept curl. Repeat as necessary. Best used with mascara. Step 4, that's it. It's easy to recharge. Simply plug in the included charging cable into the device and connect to any USB port. The device takes 2 hours to fully charge and should last 2 hours on a full charge as well. So, okay, we are fully charged here. And hopefully you can see what the uncurled lashes will look like. One last look. We'll see how it goes. I think, quite a noticeable difference. This side curled, this side not. Says we should do this for about 10 seconds. Pretty impressive. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side now. So I definitely think there is a noticeable curl. Okay, so this is on the high setting, and you can feel warmth, but as you can see, my finger is directly on it. No burning. And that's partially because these little fins, I guess you would call them, these little plastic comb pieces, keep you from being able to touch that wire. So I think that's pretty impressive. So one of the claims of this product is that it actually causes less damage than crimping, which causes breaking through mechanical action. I can see how that would be true, but on the other hand, generally speaking, anytime I've applied heat to a hair product, it over time creates damage. Now, I've used this exactly twice. I tried it out and then did it for this video, and I definitely think that there is a noticeable difference. I mean, to me, I think that's really, really nice. Now, one thing that I did notice, it does seem to take some of your lashes and kind of clump them together because the comb itself is gathering a certain amount of lashes in between the two fins of the comb and curling them. That doesn't bother me. As a matter of fact, I rather like it, but you should know this isn't a lift and separate. It's more like a lift and sticks them together, but I don't think it looks bad. But you should know. So I bought this product from Ulta, and it was $35.99, and of course Ulta has a return policy, and I paid via PayPal. I ordered it on Ulta.com. I'm really happy with this. I don't think that I would use it every day. I would be concerned about the heating aspect just because I know that if I blow dry my hair every day or if I straight iron my hair every day, any kind of heat product eventually causes damage. And I would assume that your lashes are not dissimilar to the hair on your head in that it wouldn't be that difficult to apply heat and damage them. But overall, I think a really, really pretty look. I like it. Thank you for joining me. I love it when you guys give me some feedback. So if you have something to say or something you'd like me to try out, I love trying little tech toys and stuff like that. I hope you found this useful. I think this is awesome. A great little gift for someone. I think it's just really great. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below if you're curious about my cosmetics. I do have a tutorial on it, and also I list everything that I wear on my face down below in the description. So if you're curious about my mascara or my lipstick or anything like that, I always try to be very conscientious in listing the things that I'm wearing. I really appreciate you joining me for this review video. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and if there's some little tech toy that you would like me to review, let me know, because I really like testing out new products that are tools. I am very, very into tools. So have a great day.